Please welcome back Angie Mahoney, the creator and designer for AJ Wear Jewelry. I think this is such a fabulous idea. You take all the stuff that all women have, broken, junky pieces of jewelry, and you make them into fabulous new pieces of jewelry.
You got it.
So when you came last time, we were fascinated. So we had viewers send in their broken junk and see if you could turn it into beautiful jewelry. So this is the first. This is
perfect. This is yes. So this is from Antoinette in Southbury. She really loved this one necklace with all the little charms and things, but everything was broken and mismatched. So she said, I want something fun, something long. I want to wear it out. So I was able to put it onto one longer piece and then add in all those little charms.
So let's take a look here. So can I see that before picture one more time? Oh, wait, here we go. So this is the black necklace she wanted to save.
You can see all the little charms were added in. I took her choker necklace, made it a little longer, added some multiple strands. So it's all it was all mixed pieces, and now it's a long, funky piece to wear out.
And this smaller piece, is that part of it too?
And that came off of one of her earrings, so I just put it onto a sterling chain.
Oh, that was a broken earring right there?
Yes.
So a lot of it, some of it just looked like it was something separate. Some of it was broken, and some of it was just that she really liked it, and she wanted to incorporate the broken with the stuff she liked.
You got it. Exactly.
Wow. Okay.
Yes.
And you'll do that for people. Can people send you?
They can. There's a link on my website for you can send in a whole bag of pieces, and you can get for $35 4 upcycle pieces.
I'll send you several Ziploc bags of junk. All right, so let's see the next trash to treasure creation.
All right, this is from Michelle in Southbury as well. She had given me really a bunch of necklaces that weren't broken, but she just wasn't wearing them.
Okay.
So I was able to then mix. I want to do something funky for her. Some silver and gold, make it a little longer. Okay, so actually, sorry, we are talking about a different person. Is
this is, we're going to move over here. That's that one.
Sorry about that. The picture that's being shown is this piece right here. So she had sent in like one lonesome little earring. She sent in a broken link necklace. So I was able to make out of very little a fun clip-on, like a little adjustable ring. I made 2 pairs of earrings, a really nice, like delicate necklace and bracelet, and then I was able to just mix some vintage pieces. So it became this whole look. Isn't that fun?
That bracelet. What was this before?
That was just that. And so I wanted to kind of like make that even more fun. You know what I mean?
You added to that.
Exactly.
So she sent you what, 1 or 2 broken necklaces, and you came up with a bracelet and 2 sets of earrings?
Exactly. And then
so you got more jewelry.
I know, exactly.
More pieces.
Right. Yes,
I love that. All right, so now we'll jump back over here.
So
and this was the original broken stuff, or mishmash.
Yeah, see how it's just a bunch of necklaces, and they were shorter, and they just weren't her style anymore. So she was saying, I don't wear a lot of gold, but I want a way to wear it. So I thought to mix the gold, the silver, kind of give her a long, funky piece, and then add this really nice similar where I took one of the links, put it on a sterling chain, and it's just a simple necklace.
And this, I can tell from this, this is removable.
Yes.
So you could add that or take it off.
Yep, I make all of the flowers out of old like prom dresses and things I find in my travels. I use all that old fabric. Wow. So this is like something I made out of a dress, and they clip on and off. They're just a fun pop.
Now, we can actually go to different, there are some stores in Connecticut we can buy the restructured pieces. Tell me about where to go for those.
Statement in Milford, which is great. It's a new store that sells only Connecticut-made products. So it's called Statement. It's very cool.
Well,
so that's
check
right
out
in Milford.
Statement.
Yes, and then I also sell out of a few salons. So there's TCB in Danbury, and then there's also Genesis in Sandy Hook.
So I love this. So if you're always thinking, oh, I could do this or I could do that, and most of us really don't know how. Right. So now there's you, AJ Wear Jewelry, and we're going to link it to betterct.com. Is it affordable? Like for on average, what would someone pay to have their trash turn into treasure?
For 4 upcycle pieces, it's $35, including shipping.
What?
Yes, and everybody can save 10% with I Heart Better Connecticut.
Oh, a coupon code, I Heart Better Connecticut. Check it out. The link is on our website. That's $35. That's very reasonable, and you'll get to wear it again.
Exactly.
We'll be right back. I don't know that our trash is going to turn to treasure. Generally, recipe of the week is not that, but that's what's coming up next. Stay tuned.